This video is in response to this comment, so follow along closely. First, we're going to make sure we have our layer selected. Next, we're going to desaturate our layer. Before we do that, let's duplicate the original. Choose the Magic Wand tool, hue, saturation, and brightness, and now bring your saturation level all the way down. Click out of it. Now with that layer that's desaturated still selected, you're going to go back into the Magic Wand tool. This time, you're going to choose Curves. You're going to bring the gamma level up. So gamma is currently selected. I'm going to bring this level up. Once I'm satisfied with that selection, I can click out of it. Next, we're going to duplicate this layer that we just made desaturated and brighter by swiping to the left. Now apparently this is where someone got lost, so I'll go through the different settings slowly. Click on the little N insignia there for the different color mode. We're going to drag it down. And almost at the bottom, there's an option that says Divide. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps from the bottom. There's the filter that says Divide. Now that we have that selected, we can go back into our settings by pressing the Magic Wand tool, and then Gaussian blur. And as I stated in my previous video, we're going to bring the Gaussian blur from 4 to around 8. You can exaggerate that further if you'd like, but I'm going to keep it fairly low. I'll boost it to around 8. And then clicking out of it. So now we can merge these layers together. If you want, as I mentioned before, to increase the contrast, you can go back into your settings, curves, and once again play around with the gamma settings. So dragging the slider to the right will make my darks darker and my light colors, or my light tones, lighter. So that's before, and that would be after. Now clicking out of it will apply those settings. So again, here's the original, and here's our stencil. Hopefully this was a little clearer for you. And if you or anyone else still has questions about how to do this, be sure to rewatch this video, pause it where you need to, and I'll talk to you soon.